What to include on your resume, brought to you by the Marquette University Career Services Center. First, let's start by addressing what a resume is. A resume is a document that showcases your background, which can include education and experiences, your qualifications, and skills. But most importantly, a resume is what gets you an interview. Sections that we recommend having on your resume in order to show who you are and what your background is a contact information section at the top of your resume. Next would be an education section, followed by experience sections, which include work experiences, extracurriculars, involvement, and volunteer work. Each specific position should list the job title, organization name, location, dates of involvement, and the bulleted descriptions of the position. A contact information section should include your first name and last name, phone number, an appropriate email address, and a current and/or permanent address. Here are some examples of how a contact information section could be listed on the top of your resume. Be sure to keep in mind that your contact information section will be used in all the materials you submit for a job application, including your cover letter and references. This shows consistency in your application. Next would be an education section, which includes the name and location of your institution, the degrees and minors or majors that you have been working toward or have completed. You should also include the month and year of your graduation, and some other optional components to include would be your GPA, honors and awards, and relevant coursework. Here is an example of an education section and what it might look like on a resume. Section is an experience section. An experience section should include recent and relevant jobs to showcase your skills and qualifications. Each position you list on your resume should include your job title and the name and location of the organization. Additionally, you should include the dates that you performed this job, listing both the month and year start to end date. If you're still in the position, you can put your current start date to present. For describing your positions, we suggest including bulleted action word statements to showcase your personal skills utilized and gained throughout the role while also describing the job itself. Please refer to our other YouTube video on bullet point writing for more details. Here is an example of a work experience section titled Relevant Experience, where each position contains job title, organization, location, dates, and bulleted descriptions. In addition, there are optional sections that you can include on your resume. An objective statement or summary of qualifications would be included after your contact section with a goal of briefly stating what position you are looking for and your related qualifications. Volunteer experience, student activities or extracurriculars, as well as leadership roles are sections that can be included to showcase your involvement at school, service to others, and your leadership skills. A section for honors and awards is typically created for 3 or more honors and awards as well as certifications. Less than 3 can be added to related sections such as education. A course project section is a great section to add to your resume to showcase all the good experience you've gained in classes. You can add individual or group projects, research papers, hefty presentations, capstone projects, school competitions, and so on. A specific skills section can be added to your resume to show your proficiency in language or technical skills related to the field that you're applying for. We hope you enjoyed this video on elements of a resume. Check out our other YouTube videos or social media platforms for more resume and cover letter suggestions as well as career-related advice. If you have any additional questions, please call or stop into our office and we'd be happy to help. Like, subscribe, and have a great day.